Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, here with you to show you another awesome game to play. It is called Math Limbo. So let me show you how this works. So when you get to the website, it'll say Math Limbo here at the top. And there's different levels. The easier levels are lower down, and it gets more difficult as you go up. I'm going to start with level 2. Just to show you what it looks like and how to play. Okay, so I click on level 2. Now I'm going to hit play. Okay, so round 1. So real easy. This shows 1 dot plus 1 more dot is equal to 2. So I'm going to click on 2. Okay. Now I have 2 plus 1. That gives me 3. So if I click on 3, they're going to go away. I'm trying to get it before these cables over here snap and the thing falls down. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So I click on that. Great. 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, can do that. Now again, we have 3 and 2. Now that also makes 5. But there's no 5 here. So what do? So here's what you do. You can click on any two numbers that equal 5. So, do you see any two numbers that equal 5? Well, I see a 4 and a 1. That makes 5. So then you get to go forward. See that? We've got a 1, and oh, looks like we're gonna fall. Look at it's gonna fall soon. See the thing getting smaller? We have 1, and oh, we lost it. Oh boy. All right, let's try it again. Okay, here we go. We've got 1. Nope, we've got. Let's see, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8, so I'll click on that. Here we have 4 plus 4 more. I know because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, but our 8 is already missing. So there are two numbers that I can click on that also equal 8. Let's see, I think 5 and 3 makes 8, so I'll click on 5 and 3. All right, great. Okay, 2 and 1, that's 3. Oh, we already used our 3, but there's two numbers here that can equal 3. There's a 1 and a 2. So 1 plus 2 makes 3, so that works. All right, 3 plus 1 is 4. Yep, we have a 4. Okay, now I know this is 5 because this side of the 10 frame is filled up. So it's 5, 6. There is a 6. Let's see, 7 plus 2 is 9. Will we make it? 6 plus, let's see, 3 plus 4 is 7. That must be 10. Whew! We just made it. All right, so you're getting the idea of this. Let me show you. Now, if this, you might find this to be, if you find this to be easy. If it gets easy, it's going to be boring. You don't want that. So in order for your brain to grow, you want to find the sweet spot, which is not too easy and not so difficult that you just can't do it. So let's go to level 3, see what that looks like. Okay, so we'll do a couple more. Now here there's no dots, it's just numbers. So 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So there's a 7. All right, and let's see what else we have here. 5 plus 2 again, but we don't have a 7. So what can we do to make 7? We have a 3 and a 4. That should make 7. So let's try that. 3 plus 4 is 7. Great. 2 and 1 more is 3, but there's no, we just used our 3 up. But look, we've got a 1 and a 2. 2 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 2. All right, excellent. 5 and 1 more make 6. 2 and 3 more make 5. 3 and 6 is 9. Oh, it dropped. That's all right. Were we doing our best? Yes. So that's great. That's okay. We're doing great. Our brains are growing. All right, let's try it again. Okay. So we've got 1 plus 2. Okay, that's easy. 3. 2 plus 1 is also 3, but it's missing. But like last time, 2 and 1 is the same as 1 and 2. All right, 6 plus 3 more. So 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a 9. Oh, we have another 9. So we have to find two more numbers that make 9. So I know that 5 and 4 make 9. I know that 5 and 1 more makes 6. And I know that 3 and 4 is the same as 4 and 3, which is 7. And 5 plus 3 more, so 5, 6, 7, 8. And that must be, yup, that's 10, because if you double 5, you get 10. Whew, we made it. All right, let me show you what level 4 looks like. Now, if you find level 3 to be boring and easy, then you want to challenge yourself so that your brain is growing. Even if it falls a few times, that's okay. You're still trying, okay? So if level 3 is too easy, let's go to level 4. We'll play that for a few rounds. So let's see, we've got 6 and 8. I happen to know that equals 14. 8 and 6 also equals 14, but there's no 14 here. So I know that 9 and 5 more makes 14, so that works. 5 and 4 is 9. Oh, there's no 9, we just used it. So we need to do another 9. I know that, let's see, 8 and 1 makes 9. 8 plus 1 more is 9. 4 plus 1 more is 5. Oh, we used our 5. How can we make 5? Do you see it? Oh, here's 2 and a 3 makes 5. Okay, 11 plus 3, that's 11, 12, 13, 14. Our 14's missing. So how can we make 14? We could make, let's see, 10 plus 4 more is 14. All right, so you see how this works, boys and girls? I think it's very fun, very challenging, and you can make it easier or harder depending on how you're doing, right? So if you find this to be easy, then you have to get through it, and then eventually you can get to level 5. Let's see, 2 plus 4 is 6. Oh, it dropped. Hey, that's okay. Was I learning? Absolutely. Okay? So that's all right. No worries. So this is called Math Limbo. You can start in any level, but again, if you find it to be a little bit boring or too easy, then go up to the next level. Okay? And if you're finding it to be really frustrating and just impossible, then try going down a level. All right, have fun, okay? And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.